Now, national goalkeeper Akeem Chambers and his brother Tafari continue to receive support from corporate Jamaica after their house was destroyed by fire. The most recent support came from Cal's Manufacturing, who stepped in to distribute an assortment of its products as well as a television set.
Honestly, we are coping well. We are getting the support we needed. On today we have to give our greatest big thanks to Carl's Manufacturing. They have come on board. We are looking for more support. We're just thankful for what we are getting.
Meanwhile, Marcel Gale, the head coach at Waterhouse, was touched by the outpouring of support for the players.
Almost a week now, last week Saturday, I've been to the site of Akeem and Tafari. It was devastated. Well, look where we are now. It's a turnaround from last week to this week. And for the many support and sponsors, some people call me and say they wish they can donate some stuff. And I say, it doesn't matter if you donate it monetary or verbally. A prayer sometimes is good. So, and we're grateful again for Carl's and the Carl's team.
Now, the Chambers brothers saw their Olympic Gardens home along with many of their personal belongings go up in flames last weekend.